Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're gonna be trying the Ryze Overnight Oats and I'm super excited. I'm trying to follow this creator. I'm gonna put it right here, her recipe, but I don't have any yogurt, so we're just gonna go without that. Y'all see this? I'm gonna be vlogging. I just got me a new camera, so I'm excited. Okay, quickly, these are all the ingredients. We're gonna be using the overnight oats, toasted coconut and almond milk, chia seeds, and chocolate chips and honey. So we're not gonna do too much, but I think this is my first time, so we're gonna be struggling a little bit as far as ounces. I don't know. Yeah. So let's figure that out. Okay, so I reviewed the Ryze mushroom coffee. It has all those ingredients, but also within the overnight oats. So this is also a steal just because it's really gonna help you with focus, energy, all the things to give you a better lifestyle. Honestly, when you take care of yourself, your life just has a better outcome. So let's go the healthy route. This is my first time trying to film and do a reel at the same time. I'm testing out my camera, so please forgive me. Yeah, let's get started. I wrote down my ingredients because I literally have so much trouble trying to figure stuff out. So yeah. Okay. One tablespoon of chia seeds. 3/4 cup of milk. Oh, is this even gonna go in there all the way? I'm gonna have to mix as I go. These jars are a little small. They're 10-ounce jars. Just mix it up a little bit. Kind of smells good. Ooh, I'm excited. I don't even think I could add the whole 3/4 cup. Okay, eyeball the milk, y'all. After the milk, we're gonna eyeball this honey. This is gonna be good. Okay, I'm gonna skip out on the almond butter. I'm gonna put it in my boyfriend's. Going in with the almond butter. I'm just gonna put one little scoop. Maybe warm up your almond butter, y'all. It's real good. Last step is the 1 tablespoon of chocolate. Honestly, eyeball it. So we finish it now. Tomorrow we try. So this is what it's looking like. We're gonna store it in the fridge and call it a day. Good morning. Okay, so it's a moment of truth. We're gonna try our oats. This is so cute. It smells so much like dessert. I love it. Oh my god, I have to try it before the camera dies. Oh my gosh. Should I show you guys how it looks? That's how it looks. Okay. That's not too bad. Hold on, warm this up though. Let's try that. Honestly, I prefer it warmed up. It tastes so much better. You get a little bit more flavor. This is better than your average oats because it has so much more health benefits inside. I do have a discount code, Janelle Alana 15. Let me know your thoughts on it. If you like it, jazz it up, do what you need to do. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. The sun is shining, it's a new